Yeah, you may say big and bad. Me hear them say alkaline. Better than cartel. No way. No way. We don't know alkaline from nowhere. That's what me I say. No. We don't know alkaline from nowhere. And alkaline come in some vendetta thing. We don't know if I don't Batman thing or something. That's what me I say. So yeah, hear me? My boy can't style cartel. Straight. Cartel are the boss. All them lock behind bars. Them still are the boss with dancehall. The man they fight for this. You see me? Some man only sing bad man song and not face no man. Some man for go no man. Yeah man. Cartel are the real dancehall hero, the real dancehall king. You see me? Apart from being man. Yeah. And then about like popcorn either. You see me I say? Straight. Now Poppy have lyrics too. All of them. Straight. You know I say? A Gaza, you know. Alkaline can go and kill out himself. I better meet himself and go and make him money and live a better life and stop follow up cartel. So me I say, straight. So you go lose all of your fans them. And you see him friend them when they run, I go sell you out. Remember me tell you that. You see me? I try this to teach you. A whole lot of people will come at you. Remember me tell you. Straight.
Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever and ever.